Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to put music on Facebook bio on iPhone. Let me show you in this quickly and fast video, okay? Open your Facebook, remember update your app first, okay? Because this is a new thing, okay? Before this was different. Toast in the corner, 3 lines and your profile. Now here can you watch current vibe, okay? In my profile picture, in my banner, current vibe, toast here, and now here you can put example GIF, music or icons, okay? Mood, okay, I don't want this, or music example. That is the purpose for this video. Select your favorite song and put here. Is the new thing and is all, okay? Select and toast in share, okay? In the corner can you watch share example. Let me put this because music has copyright. Now when you are here, toast in share and is all, okay? It's the same thing but with music. If you want delete, wait, not share. When this is share, toast here and you can delete if you want delete. It's so easy and really fast. Sorry for my bad English. I just wanted to get more experience with me speaking. This is all for this video and have a good day. See you later.